In this demonstration, we'll show you how you consolidate multiple companies in Dynamics 365 Business Central. To do that, we will select the business units, we'll test the consolidation, we'll run the consolidation, and then eventually review that consolidated financial statement. So while I'm logged into my company in Business Central, you'll see it's a brand new company we created, and it's called Consol for Consolidated. I'll do a search, and I can either use the shortcut keyboard keys with Alt-Q, or I can just invoke the search box, and I'll type in the business units. If I need more information on that, you'll see the documentation is specific to what I'm asking for, in this case here, business units. Now I've got business unit 1 and business unit HQ. Let me select the functions here, and we'll go ahead and just test that out. And I could either filter on those business units. In this case here, I'll leave all the business units, and I preview it. And this displays the results of company 1. And I can scroll here to the next page to see all the stuff, if there are any errors I need to consider before I run the consolidated report. When I'm ready to go, under that same functions menu, still open, I'll select the Run Consolidations for the start and end date for the period I want, and then I'll select OK. And the system just wants to prompt to make sure that I want to run the consolidation for this month. I'll select yes, and then I just want to get a preview of that. And now I get to see the net change amount and the balances across those organizations or those business units, those companies that we have running in Business Central. So this combines the general ledger entries from each of our companies into a new company that we created to contain that consolidated data. And so the goal of that demonstration was just to understand how you could run consolidations using Dynamics 365 Business Central. The benefits, as you can see, were to start and grow easily, but also easily manage multiple companies in your organization.